Feeling stuck with outdated forms? There is a better way. This video reveals the secrets of editing, deleting, and duplicating Paymattic forms, the key to a smoother workflow. Let's jump in. So, let's say I have a form that's been chugging along nicely, but I want to make a small change. No problem. Just find the form and hit this. Now this is where the magic happens. I can see all the form fields. Name, email, the whole shebang. Let's say I want to adjust the wording of this subject field. Easy. Just double click on it and change the label to brief message. Nice and clear, right? There you go. Form edited in a flash. Now, what if I have a form field that's just not relevant anymore? No worries, Paymattic lets you delete fields too. Let's say I don't need the company name field anymore. All I have to do is click on this. And gone, just like that. Just remember to save again and preview to make sure everything looks clean. You can even delete a form in a snap. Just hit this, and you're done. But wait, there's more. Let's say I need a form that's similar to an existing one, but with a few tweaks. This is where the duplicate form comes in handy. See the duplicate form option here? Just like that, Paymattic creates an exact copy. Now I can edit this duplicate and customize it for a different purpose. Super time saving, right? So there you have it, folks. Editing, deleting, and duplicating forms in Paymattic is a breeze. These tools help you keep your forms relevant, organized, and user-friendly. Now you can go forth and conquer your own forms with confidence.